Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the 2025 game build and that the Lagoon region is unlocked. This prevents wasted attempts. Once done, make sure your main character is leveled and equipped with at least 3 healing items and sufficient stamina. Next, travel directly to the marked Lagoon waypoint and accept the local quest or interact with the central obelisk to trigger the Azure of Lagoon encounter. This first action sequence sets the encounter conditions and starts the in-game timer for spawn mechanics. You now focus on the middle phase where timing and technique matter. Once the spawn window opens, about 10 to 12 minutes, watch for visual cues like glowing water and sound changes. These confirm Azure presence. Then approach using stealth or crowd control so you face Azure alone, and prioritize killing adds fast to avoid stacking damage. Conserve and apply the elemental combo that breaks its shield type. Alternating attacks keeps pressure while preserving healing and stamina for the final burst. You finish by timing a decisive, high DPS burst when the shield drops. Use your ultimate or a coordinated damage chain to prevent shield regeneration. Once defeated, collect the Azure of Lagoon immediately and clear the area to avoid a regen reset that can despawn the drop. If the attempt fails, troubleshoot. Confirm spawn conditions and environmental triggers, verify gear and levels, or restart the 10-12 minute cycle. Trying alternate flora or interactable triggers often corrects elusive spawn bugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.